Hi guys, my name is Chuck and I welcome you in my new video from the game Life is Feudal, your own. So, what about this game? Sorry guys, I'm still a little bit ill. Okay, so what about this game? This game is something like simulator of the medieval life, but it's something different because here you have just your island and you must colonize it. You are alone on this island, so you could play multiplayer, but I wanna play single player because I prepared this world. It works good now, so I'm really happy for that. Because on this game are sometimes really bad frame drops and it could be really bad on this game. So I'm really happy because it is working and I could make a gameplay for you. Okay, now firstly, frame drop. So firstly I need to find some branches and make some basic tool, because we need to cut off trees and terraforming a world around us. So forestry, snap off a branch. Okay, we need a few these branches. Come on, faster man. This game is for a longer time because you have, for example, in this game skills. As you can see, you must still level the skills and then you could create the new things. So it's sometimes really horrible to play this game, but now it's awesome and okay. So the videos from this game will be maybe, I don't know, maybe one per week, because sometimes it goes really slow in this game because you must still working on your character and level it. So I will do this off screen, not on camera, because it's not really good for video. Okay, I don't know how many branches we have. Oh, inventory. Oh, 6, that's enough. Okay, so then now I need to find flint. It will be here maybe on near this small here. Where am I going? So I'm running. I will need the food. It will be one of the most important things, but now everything is okay. As you can see, we have inventory, sorry guys. We have enough food, 2 cookies, 1 bread, so that's okay. But we need really quickly find some sources of food because it will be bad. So here is this small hill. I think I will build a small house near this hill. Maybe, yeah, it's a good place because you could find here everything what you need. Come on. Oh, here is a source of that. Sorry guys, source of a flint. Useful flint stone. I'm really sorry, but this is a problem why I run videos, because I'm ill and I don't want to make videos, but it's really maybe 2 days without video on my channel. Maybe it will be 3 or more, but now okay, that's really bad. So I want to make one video and you will know guys what is with me, why I run videos on my channel, because I'm ill. But I will make a gameplay for this game. Okay, inventory again. What? You still not found? Oh my god, useful flintstone. Come on, man. We need the X. Oh, great, 1. But we need more than 1. Come on. My god, what the fuck you are everywhere, stone, but you need to find 1 between the thousands and thousands of this small stones. Come on, man. Flintstone. Okay, great. I think it's enough. Now, the forestry, create primitive tool, and what we firstly need. We need X. Oh, okay. Wild plant fiber. So we need X. It's really important to have X because if you have X, you could cut the trees and do other interesting and build houses. You don't know what about am I speaking. Okay, come on. Okay. Primitive X. Okay, roger that. I'm working on that. So then we need a soul, maybe? I don't know now. Inventory. Equip. Great, now I must look on that skills and what we will need. So okay, skills. Okay, it's nothing for us. Nature's lore, nothing for us. Water and terrain, nothing for us. Where it was, I wanna build a small shack. It was here. No, it's about prospecting, mining, chance to find gems. But where it was? Wooden parts of weapons. Jewelry is not for us. Where it was? I don't know. Okay. So, create a camp. Campfire. But I don't need these things. Terraforming. Create decorations, really? Okay. So, I think we need a terraforming and then working with materials because I need constructions. Advanced wooden constructions, yes, it's there. So I need it. Okay, so we'll terraform now, so I must create a shovel. Where's primitive shovel? Okay, we need one more plant fiber. Where this nature's lore, gather plant fiber. Great. Wow. Oh, I got achievement. Great. Create primitive tool and the shovel. Where is our shovel? Oh, I cancelled it. Okay, I must wait. Come on. Equip. I think now we need to find some food, for example some apple trees or something like that, because now we don't need a terraforming, it's okay with that, but we need the food and that's not very good. Maybe this is the apple tree, I don't know. Oh, it's not apple tree because you could see on it. What about this? Track peaceful animal. I think I could cut something peaceful. Tracked agility has increased, but nothing. Okay. So it's not for us. Farming. Get revived plants. Correct. Oh, sickle. Oh my god. And I don't have sickle. Where it was? Somewhere was one place with a lot of apple trees on this map, but I wanna find it. So I think it will be more important. Here? Yeah, I think it's apple tree now. It must be apple tree. Yeah, of course. Get a sprout, inspect the tree. I will need it. Sprout, great. Logging, I don't wanna cut down this tree. So we'll need a sickle maybe. And we need better farming if we want apples. I think it's under farming. I don't know. Skills. Farming 30. So an all type. You could sow and harvest all types of crops. Herbs, yeah, I think it was there. These animal traps. It's interesting with this. So we have now we know what to do in this game. So I need to craft that sickle. It is. I think it's speaking about it correctly. This, we need this. So one more. Oh no! One more plant fiber. Gather plant fiber. Come on. Come on. Where is our plant fiber? Plant fiber. Again. Intellect, willpower increased, great, but what about this? Oh, no wild plants. Oh my god. Natural lore. Better plant fiber. I want the one plant fiber. Really great. Oh, I got it. Inventory. And now we could craft a sickle. Craft. Come on. Okay, crafted it. So here it is. Equip. Great. So now get her white. We need a farmer skill 30, so I must get her it with that sickle, and then we could got apples. It's really about skilling this game. It's something like RPG, but it's sandbox. It's a really good game. I'm playing it offline, but just alone, because nobody from my friends own this game. Come on. Come on, work on it, man. Damn son, I want it today. Farming increase it to 25. 30, great. We got the farmer. Now farm, yeah, get her apples. So, okay, we have food. we skilled something, we have some primitive tools, and I will end this part here, guys. So okay guys, I'll stop it here. Thanks for watching this video. If you want, you could give me a like or subscribe. Have a good day, share my videos, see ya, and bye.